Hi, I'm Kent Martz with Explore Scientific. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Explore Scientific Bino viewers. First thing to know is the Bino viewers can slide back and forth to adjust the interpupillary distance for your eyes. I suggest that you use them first, look through until you get immersed in, slide it back and forth to get it merged into an image that's comfortable for your eyes. Set them aside, and in this case we're using the Explore Scientific FCD 100 127mm carbon fiber telescope. Using an eyepiece, find the object you're looking for in the sky and get into focus. And the beauty is this is a parfocal device, meaning we can simply remove the eyepiece, put the device in, being sure to put the diopter side on your right eye. Be sure and tighten down the thumb screws so it won't fall out. Get a matched pair of eyepieces, in this case, the Explore Scientific waterproof 52-degree 25mm eyepieces. Loosen the twist lock eyepiece locks. Tighten it down so the eyepiece won't come out. That eyepiece is not locked down. Now it is because the diopter was turning. Now then, just adjust until the object you're looking at is in focus. The reason you're closing one eye, covering it, is when you close one eye, it causes the other eye to misshape. If you cover one eye and then look through it, it really helps the eye really look in focus. Now, with it in focus for the left eye, we're going to cover our left eye and look through the right diopter and turn it. And as we turn it, we're going to get into where it's perfect focus for our right eye. Now, you should have the focus for your left eye with the telescope and your right eye with the diopter adjustment. You can look through, make a fine adjustment for the interpupillary distance, check the focus. If the focus is on, you're good to go. You now have a bino view. You're using two eyes to look at the same object, which is the way our minds are engineered. To have two eyes looking at the object, you're going to be able to see a lot more detail. It's going to be a lot more pleasing view, and you're going to get a whole lot more out of your viewing experience. That's how you use the Explore Scientific Bino viewers. I'm Kent Martz with Explore Scientific. You can find these products on our website, www.explorescientific.com. Note that the Bino viewers are an exclusive membership benefit of the Explore Alliance. The Explore Alliance is a care program offered by Explore Scientific. For information, go to our website, click on Alliance, drop down, and go from there.